So I want to show you my new creamy keyboard that I just got. I had one that was a little bit older. It was black and it was loud and it was kind of hard to push. This one is soft and cute and I love it. And I just love the sound of the keys. Now I have fake nails on right now, so it is giving a little extra clack. But if I was just using my fingers, and then with nails, I love both. I love both. And here it is up close. It does have the integrated light charging up here. This is so cute. And the price point of $30 is amazing. Treat yourself.